So we've just done Secret Santa. Do you want in it? Yeah. I had Sophie, and Claudia had me. Yeah. So we've got a nice
centerpiece
Christmas dinner meal.
chicken nugget centerpiece. That's what it is.
Lovely, can't wait.
The street view.
Is everything ready? Are you vlogging?
Sure am. Any wise words to say, Iona?
Wise words.
Mm-hmm.
Peace be with you.
You can only see that.
It really made me uncomfortable.
Alright guys. It looks so egg-like.
Can I just get something on my chest, guys?
Oh! Nope.
Hang on. Gang, gang, kill, wish was king, gang, king, gang, kill, wish was king, gang, hey, shally body, shally body. Peace out.
Right guys, welcome back to That's Juliet 04. We're in the car right now. Juliet's actually driving, but we don't want to distract her too much. But she's going great. We're on our way to get lunch because we're doing a Secret Santa. So yeah, Laura.
Tractor. She's only stalled twice.
So we're going good.
Not good with the handbrake because we rolled back, but
Just a wee bit though.
Why, does it your handbrake not work? Oh,
Oh,
tractor,
no.
tractor.
Bus gave me the fear.
Update.
Hi guys!
We're alive, we made it.
We're not really live, I think this is the afternoon.
We're quite shook.
Yeah, Juliet ran a red light.
Yeah, but
Don't tell me that!
Well, not really.
Right,
She didn't
it
really.
just changed. I was already on my way.
So, yeah.
also the car
wasn't
went
really
like,
illegal.
and we were like, gear! And she doesn't know that means you have to change gear.
It wasn't illegal, it was just scary.
Yeah, it wasn't
the
because
red
it
light.
just changed as I like went through it, so it's
No,
fine. It
Hannah,
wasn't
running
illegal.
a red light is illegal. Otherwise, you wouldn't
Can I
have
put this in the vlog?
Yeah, because
No one can stop me.
exactly, we could be making all this story up. No one can.
Yeah, we could be actually.
Yeah, we've actually made this up.
All. Okay, well, see you when we get some food.
That's Juliet.
Okay, so Laura's gonna open the present I give her. We all know who each other has because we're
Mine's
kind of
so
ruined
bad.
this.
Here's mine too.
Wait, there's a card as well.
Thanks, dear.
Because they told me it was a joke, and then I actually took it as a joke.
Are you allowed to swear on your channel? Because Laura's done it about 4 times.
Well, yeah.
Like I did in church, so yeah, that, you've just got me in a bag, really. These are so cool! We're not.
Oh yeah,
Oh my
no,
god.
brilliant.
I love Hamlet!
This is like our English book, so that's why I got the Hamlet ones to do this.
Guys. Oh my god, a cardboard box! What is it?
I'm not going to tell you, open it.
Oh my god! I love it!
So
You
show
won't
the
get
vlog.
it. Do you watch it?
This says what would animals keep and do, so we had to get away with my day.
Sorry, Juliet's opening her present from Laura.
This is like not a Christmas card, but it's like I just found it in my house.
Hi, that's good. That is sweet. Oh.
That's such a Juliet card, wow.
Oh,
It's too dark.
professional vlogger. It's like a sticker.
That's so good.
Thanks.
You're gonna hate the pictures, but we don't have many.
Oh, I love it.
Also, you're shitting over it, but
It's like oh, that's so cute. I love it. So, let's just hide that.
Basically a notebook because Juliet has a notebook with margins that take up half the page.
And I get made fun of for it in English. So this was Ewan's present to Hannah. A nice wee, what would you call this?
I don't know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Even though it's not really Hannah's.
I've been a Catholic all my life. So,
Love it.
that is so adorable. Thanks, Ewan.
Hannah and Laura and Ewan vlogged the other day for me, so I'm going to insert this clip now.
It's really good.
Hi guys! That's so it fits in her vlog.
Sorry. Hi guys, so
Hey.
Juliet is here, but this is us vlogging for That's So Juliet 04.
Like and subscribe.
We're going to send this to her.
Juliet decided not to come to church because
Yeah,
she's
Juliet
not a
didn't
good
come to
Catholic, unlike us.
Even though it wasn't Catholic church, but it was really good.
And we had a really good Christmas message
Ewan
about.
was feeling, oh no, she won't be able to put that bit in.
No!
Hold on, let's do something so she can edit it out. Blah, blah, edit that bit out, Juliet. Hi guys, so back for That's So Juliet 04.
Like and subscribe.
We'll block out the children. So, Juliet,
like
please
Rudolph.
put this in your vlog.
Juliet didn't come to church. Oh, are we putting the other one in first?
Oh my god, everyone's looking at me.
Guys, we're literally vlogging, we are embarrassments.
We need to walk
So,
faster.
Have a holly
Victoria?
jolly vlogmas.
do you want to come in the vlog?
No, not
Child.
Hey.
Child.
Oh,
that's
she did it anyway.
Victoria.
Haha, lol.
We're gonna, I really need to blow my nose. Guys, did you enjoy church?
I loved it. I felt the spirit within me.
Spiritually cleansed.
Same, loved it, okay. We'll vlog a bit once we get back to school, okay?
Uh-huh.
Bye guys.
Christ is with you.
Peace out, love you. Hannah?
Because Juliet decided that she wasn't going to come into school for the last time.
Yeah, basically,
Even though we all said that
I thought you guys weren't going to go in.
Juliet, we had a gate, so we were singing rocking around the Christmas tree. No,
See, I wish I'd gone now.
Sam and Victoria were not feeling it, but we were.
We usually have English first too, but then it was like the last day so we were going to church, but I didn't go because I was collecting my car. But they vlogged for me.
you were collecting your car later.
Yeah, I could have gone, but
We were walking to church.
So Juliet 04's life is a lie.
yeah, that was a
Her
lie.
name's not even Juliet.
I can't imagine. But yeah. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of them. But you guys call me a bad Catholic and I don't appreciate that. Here's the starters. Yeah, I'm literally like not convinced.
Juliet, my chins!
I know.
Yeah, I'm just getting my bag. Success!
Right, that's.
Okay, so take number 2. We've just finished the meal. It was delish. But right now Juliet's just on the phone to
This doesn't make it in the vlog.
quit her job. It's gonna get in the vlog. Please just get it in the vlog. So that's just, you know, quitting the job. Ewan's
They didn't pick up.
paying the bill. Oh, they didn't pick
It
up.
says call failed, Juliet. I got service. I don't need 3G to make a phone call. Right, wait. Point it at me, Hannah. I need to go look.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just about to pay the bill, so we're gonna go.
So, remember to like and subscribe to That's So Liona Otress.
That's so Hannah 05.
Mate, that doesn't exist.
Yes, it does.
Look it up. Also, Laura Winters __ Instagram, follow. Hannah Newlands.
I don't know my name.
X.
Hannah Newlands X. Wait, what
exact thing in the last one.
What last one?
So guys, this is my outfit of the day. Got this top from H&M. Got a bit of a food baby, it's interesting. These jeans from Primark. These shoes from Topshop.
Love
My
it.
bag is from ASOS.
Yum.
My jacket is from Charity Shop.
Love
And
it.
it doesn't have a label on it, so I can't tell you what it came with.
Top is from Topshop. My jeans are from Topshop. My shoes are Converse.
So the t-shirt's from TK Maxx. It's by Denim and Flower.
Right.
And the trousers from Topshop and the shoes are from USC.
I don't think this is from Topshop. I think this is from Primark. Topshop and some Vans.
Nice.
My socks are from Primark and they're Harry Potter, Hufflepuff. My shoes are very white. Just got them yesterday.
Wait, comparison. Mine have a bit
What are yours like yellow?
So for Jovi, this necklace is, I wear this every day. This is my everyday necklace. I'm not sure where it's from. I got it from my birthday. I think it's from Etsy or something.
I like it.
My rings, this is from a random shop, so is this one. You can't get either of these rings actually. You probably won't find the necklace either.
So that was not helpful.
Yeah, and also these earrings are also from a random shop, so good luck.
I wasn't expecting it, you know.
Just bought some snacks. Oh, it's not raining, but a bit cold.
And it says to grab the gears and the handbrake.
Guys, I left my car lights on. No, they're not.
No.
I still turn them off.
Is that light on?
Yeah, no,
That's
really,
definitely
it's
on.
Yeah, it looks on.
Guys, that's so bad.
So we realised that when we got out of the car and it was beeping, and we all thought it was because the doors were open.
No, I didn't.
Juliet actually left her fog lights on.
Guys, is
this
that
entire
really
time.
bad? I feel like I've like broken something now.
You've not broken something, but it'll run the battery down.
What's that?
What's the battery?
What does that mean?
Well, the battery's like powers the radio and stuff, so it's fine if you have it on while the engine's running. Like that's fine.
Laura hasn't passed her test, but it seems to know
Like,
a lot more
if
about
you have the radio
Juliet.
on and the engine's not on, the battery will go down. But it doesn't.
How'd you fill the battery up?
You don't. You have to get a new battery.
Juliet, also remember to go into...
Guys, I have. Oh,
What?
No, it'll be fine, Julia.
What?
my fuel thing was gone, and I was like, oh, come on, out of fuel. But I just filled it up this morning. Oh
Right,
no.
Julia.
Guys, this is a disaster.
Right, Juliet, remember to go into reverse as
Hannah,
well.
remember to get ready to grab the gears.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not gonna seatbelt on.
Also can't figure out
Stuff on the run.
You're gonna need some gas. You're gonna need some gas.
Did we put gas on when you reversed?
You get none!
Right, where's the exit?
Right, forward.
That way forward.
Into first.
You actually said
You're rolling. Oh, Christ almighty. Just go this
No,
way.
the exit's that way, Julia.
This way. Look, it says exit on the road.
You'll need
Oh.
to stop.
Go!
Just getting there.
Go! Clutch, gas!
Hannah, don't go. That'll make it.
Oh, that was good.
Hi guys.
Don't you dare look at the camera, Juliet.
Sorry.
You're just getting some vlog footage.
Juliet, turn your wipers off at the back.
Go round and
Why
round.
did I do
right?
that?
Oh, don't confuse her, Laura.
Guys, look.
Now,
Wow.
That
Gas.
is weird.
Not that much gas.
Does that make sound like that?
we're now in a car park.
Oh.
You've got P plates on. Everyone understands. Stop! He's coming out. Go in that parking space.
Oh yeah.
Right, indicate. Oh, don't you dare.
Wait, I don't think I'm allowed to
Taxi.
say.
It's fine.
That's not you.
Yeah, it's not you.
Wait, is he coming out?
Is he coming out, Hannah?
Maybe they were just straightening up.
Just wait for a bit. Is anyone behind us?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Okay.
I'll just go. The lights go.
Hi guys, it's me. Sorry about the way I sound right now. I'm actually got tonsillitis. Yeah, I'm having a great time. But basically, I just wanted to come in here to apologise for the quality of the next couple clips. You know, I used Laura's phone and just didn't turn out very well. So yeah, I hope you guys can forgive me. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the vlog. Thanks, bye.
Hi guys.
We're not going to say where because
Privacy.
we don't want stalkers.
So, Juliet left her phone in the car, so we're going to take over this vlog.
You left your phone in the car? No, she didn't. Her phone's out of charge.
Oh, it's out of charge. Lol. So,
gonna
we
get some
made it
Christmas
here.
things.
We're going to hit up the Christmas shopping, even though it's a bit busy. Oh yeah, we have 25 minutes. Oh, it is even.
Oh dear.
Christ, right.
The queues are going to be so long.
Okay, we're going to concentrate now. Goodbye, boys. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Like and subscribe.
We're on our way back now. We've got Hannah in the front, and Juliet is driving. It's been quite good so far.
And
That was a bit of an abrupt stop.
What
Get
ticket
that.
Santa?
So Juliet stopped at a red light there, which is unusual for Juliet. But oh, and away we go. Yeah. So oh, bit bumpy. Juliet's been actually a really good driver. It's been quite surprising. Hannah, we're trying to vlog here. So I feel like safe hands. Oh, also she does this thing where she takes her hand off the steering wheel, which is slightly disconcerting, but you know, if she feels confident, that's all that matters. Oh, that's all that matters.
The pathway like the back of my hand. Is this the...
Keep going. Sing it.
One, to pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know he's gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hi guys.
Okay.
I'll put the light on. Just sitting there. So like, what's wrong with this? Well, this is quite a depressing one. Looks like we're just stuck with this. I'll let it look.
So